tired of waiting weeks upon weeks upon weeks for a response to your letters? Frustrated by the ink splatters on your hands and clothes? Oh no! Is the constant cramping of your hand due to the lack of hand muscle writing power getting you down? Well, you don't have to worry about your problems anymore. Introducing Morse code! Yay!
Hello, I'm Samuel Morse, and in 1837, I invented a new way to develop faster communication between me and my peers, Morse code.
This is a visual depicting the alphabet of Morse code. The dots represent a short burst of sound like eh, and the lines represent a longer burst of sound like eh. Therefore, for S, 3 dots, it would be eh, 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 and O, 3 long lines, eh, eh, eh. Therefore, the commonly known SOS would be eh, 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 eh. I can be in California, use the telegraph to send a message through Morse code, and almost instantly, it will arrive in New York!
I'm Samuel Morse, and I approved this message.
Call the number on your screen to get your access to Morse code today. That is 1-800-123-CODE. Must be 18 years old to order.